Belfast Met looks forward to welcoming you all back to our campuses over the course of the next few weeks. The health and safety of our staff and students is our first priority. We have put in place a range of measures on campus to minimise the risks presented by the virus and to protect you. Over the last few months, our team has been working hard in preparation to welcome you safely back to campus. Modifications have been made in some areas, and new practices and protocols have been put in place to follow government and public health guidelines. Here are a few changes you will see when you return to campus. The primary control for personal hygiene is that all staff and students regularly wash their hands. Upon entering the campus, you may be required to queue at each main entrance. Please ensure that you adhere to any social distance guidelines as you enter the campus. Sanitising stations are located at all campus entrances, and you will be required to sanitise your hands before making your way into the building. Please ensure you have your student card with you at all times to ensure smooth entrance and exit throughout the campus. All reception counters have been provided with protective screens for everyone's safety. If you require assistance, please follow the signs and wait for assistance. One-way systems have been placed in some parts of each campus, but where this is not possible, you are asked to keep left. You are asked to keep moving in corridors and not to congregate outside classrooms or offices. Items of furniture have been moved from corridors to prevent any pinch points. Additional hand sanitising stations are located throughout the corridors. These may be wall-mounted or on stands. We have increased the frequency of cleaning in each campus, with regular cleaning of high-frequency contact points, such as door handles and handrails. The use of lifts in each campus is restricted to one person unless you are being accompanied by a support worker. Each classroom has been set out to comply with physical distancing guidelines and protective screens placed at lecturers' desks. Staff and students are reminded not to move any desks or chairs from their current locations. Staff are encouraged to open windows to provide natural ventilation. Where this is not possible, fresh air will be provided through mechanical means. In some locations, when we cannot physically space desks apart, we have indicated where you can sit by means of a tick or a cross. As you enter the classroom, everyone will be asked to sanitise their workstation or desk prior to you taking your seat. Please dispose of any paper towels in the bin provided in each classroom. The numbers of people using toilets will be restricted so that we can meet physical distancing standards. Signage has been placed in these spaces indicating capacity. Everyone will be expected to use good hygiene when using the toilet facilities to aid overall cleanliness. Printers will remain available for use throughout the college. However, individual staff and students have responsibility to clean them prior to use with the disinfectant and paper towels provided. Canteens will remain open on campus. However, physical distancing and queuing measures will be put in place at each campus. We are delighted to see you all returning to campus, and we trust you will find this information helpful. If you have any health and safety concerns when you return to work, please email us at healthandsafety@belfastmet.ac.uk.